Now.
I have the right to remain silent. I'm not gonna talk.
Yeah, you keep talking.
No.
Because it gets my civil
Let me
rights to
see
talk.
how much you have.
You're still talking. You said you're going to stop talking. And you have to pay $100. Kari, come show me the $100. Kari, show me the $100 ticket. Show it to me. Yeah, look. See? Rudy, turn it around. Turn it around. Like this.
Ow.
Rudy has to pay $100 if he wants to get out. Right? And if he doesn't, he can't get out.
I'll show you how to get out. Do magic.
No, you can't get out.
See? Magic.
No magic.
Magic.
He got in trouble again. Careful.
I'm sorry.
I got out. Magic. And now
Wanna get
hey!
Magic. No, she's using your. Give me that one.
Right now.
Can do it for me.
This is abuse. What is this for?
Yeah, we're switching from handcuffs to scrunchies.
Really?
Yes. And handcuffs. You know what? You get 2 of them. You get handcuffs and scrunchies.
Next thing you know, they're going to be putting
You're
makeup
making
on,
magic
right?
with
Yep.
this? What?
I'm painting my nails.
Kari say, you go to jail because you didn't make chocolate chip pancakes.
You're going to jail because you didn't make chocolate.
Well, how can I make chocolate chip pancakes if I'm being handcuffed?
No. Never.
So you guys never going to get chocolate chip pancakes because I'm handcuffed. I need both of my hands.
All the police brutality.
This is brutality.